Good day, my name is Romel Magan Renigen, and I applying for the position of automotive mechanic. I studied at Marikina Polytechnical College and completed on my on-the-job training at the Powerhouse Race Specialist, where I learned about preventive maintenance, under chassis repair, and engine overhauling. I live in Baras Rizal and I will describe myself as a hardworking, reliable, and eager to learn. I enjoy working with the team and I committed to doing my tasks efficiently with the quality. Thank you for this opportunity and I am excited about the chance to be a part of your team. You should be hire me because I have the skill and training to needed for this position. During my OJT, I gained a hands-on experience in automotive servicing, and I'm confident that I can contribute to your company by providing quality work, supporting the team, and ensuring the customer satisfaction. I'm also motivated, willing to learn, and I dedicated to improving myself as an automotive mechanic. I believe I can be valuable asset to your company.